Mihango ya uthecani wa njanjo no ithite na mbere na kunyitithio thinga guku bururi-ini. Namba ya andu aria mathecetwo njanjo cieri igikinyiria andu 814. Nari ta mehaririria ma kwamukira njanjo makiria, thirikari ni itanyite kuhuthira makiria ma ciringi mirioni magana kenda kwararamia thitoo ya Kitengela undu umwe na gwaka thitoo ingi 25 kuma kuri thitoo 8 iria bururi wa Kenya ukoragwo nacio cia kuiga njanjo itiganite.
We must, however, recognize that about 15 million doses of vaccines used for childhood immunization also depend on this infrastructure and hence the need to expand it. Whereas we appreciate the support we are getting from our friends, therefore the Ministry of Health will be expanding and strengthening our cold chain facility at a cost of an additional 900 million with World Bank support.
Maya mokite oriri njanjo muthemba wa Pfizer itanyitwo gukinya guku bururi-ini kuma bururi wa Amerika kiumia giukite. Umuthi Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiamukira mashini 15 cia Pfizer kuma bururi-ini wa Japan iria ikuhuthika kuiga njanjo ici iria irabatara kuigwo githimi-ini kia uhehu wa -70.
To deploy Pfizer and any other future vaccines that may require ultra cold chain temperatures will now not be a challenge at all. 3 of these freezers will be placed at the central vaccine stores in Kitengela, while the rest will be distributed to our 9 regional stores.
Njanjo ino yarutwo uhehu-ini wa gikiro kia -70 yagirirwo ni guikara thiku 28 guku muikariri giti wa kamiti ya uheani wa njanjo Dagitari Willis Sakwale akiuga njanjo ici ikunengerwo mathibitari maria mari na uhoti wa gutheca andu 100 muthenya umwe na andu gatagati ka 2,000 nginyanagia 3,000 o mweri.
A delay because we had to train our healthcare workers in terms of use of Moderna, Pfizer. We've also trained them on the use of Sinopharm, and they have also now been trained on Johnson & Johnson. So now they are fully equipped. So when Pfizer comes next week, the cold chain is there, the healthcare workers are ready, we will be good to go. Pfizer in facilities that don't have a high volume, and therefore counties have been asked to identify which facilities will actually stock.
Gukinyaniria na riu Akenya mirioni 2.8 nio mamukirite njanjo ya mbere na ya keri guku bururi-ini. Ministry ikiuga gutire mundu ugutindikiririo kwamukira njanjo.
At the moment we are very lucky in Kenya because we hear this thing about people who don't want to be vaccinated. They are currently not our problem. Our problem are those who want to be vaccinated and we don't have vaccines for them.
Girifotera Kameme TV, retiroka ni Wajiro wa Foro.